This is the ultimate list of 11 best free AI video generators online. No fluff, straight to the point. Let's go. Starting with one of the best kept secrets, where you can generate high quality Google Veo 3.1 videos. Like for example this one.
The whiskey's warm and the night is long. Got them low down blues in this tired old song.
Or this one. So this is basically Google Vids platform, and it allows you to create 10 free Veo 3.1 videos a month. But we all have multiple Gmail accounts, so you can just sign in and sign out with as many accounts as you want, and you can really generate those quality Veo 3.1 videos here. Just put a prompt and generate. And as you can see, it works rather fast. You can create from scratch or animate an image, so image to video. And one tip here, don't forget to download those videos after you are done with your session, because if you don't download or export it, you will not have a library of your videos here, because after logging out, in most cases, those are removed. So don't forget to download. And how to access, just type Google Vids into Google, click on this link, log in with your Gmail account, and then at the beginning, click on Veo 3.1. And that's about it. Then we have BytePlus Playground, basically the ByteDance, the company behind the Seedance 2.0 and all of the other versions. When you log in, click on Media and then choose the model. Here you can generate for free with Seedance 1.5 Pro and some other models, and the results are actually pretty good. For example, this one.
Oh, what a cruel fate has befallen me. My love, my heart, my everything.
Yeah, he's singing something interesting here. This was a text to video prompt. You can also use first image, last image, upload your own images. Output sound is here and everything works pretty fast and pretty good. For example, here I created the tornado videos also. And here we have a misty bay at dawn. So let's watch this. You see standard Seedance quality. Now how to access on Google, just type BytePlus Playground, click on the link, then on homepage click on Dreaming a Seedance 2.0 and here is your playground. Don't forget to check Seedance 1.5 Pro or some other models because those are free for now. Don't mind what it says here of the tokens that it spends, because this is basically kind of a playground to test the models and it has millions of tokens. Then we have Creen.ai. Here you don't even need to sign up and you can generate for free. Here you can generate video models with Creen AI, Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Happy Horse Van 2.7, and the video looks like this. Or like this. Now this is actually pretty good quality, and as you can see, it generated with Seedance 2.0 Fast. Now the catch is here, as you can see, it spends credits. You receive 100 credits daily, which is not much. But you remember, you don't have to sign in to this web at all to receive those daily credits. So then the workaround is to search for virtual browser in Google, click on this link, browser.lol, then click on quick launch, enter the website you would like to use and connect. It will open that same website in the virtual browser and there you will get additional 100 credits. And here I created this video. It looks pretty good. This was created by Creen AI. I could have chosen Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 2.0 Fast to create a couple of second video. And then you can repeat that many times by using the same virtual browser or other virtual browser. Because this website cannot be fooled with a standard VPN or any other, because it used advanced computer digital fingerprinting methods. But you can find so many of those virtual browsers and use that tip to gather free credits on many similar websites. Then we have TikTok Symphony Creative Studio, where you receive 1000 credits as soon as you log in, and to generate a 10-second video of using Video 1.5 Pro, which is pretty good, you only spent 10 credits. So you basically can create hundreds of different videos. Those are 9:16 videos because this is basically Creative Studio used for TikTok advertising, and the videos look like this. Or this, or for example here I written down male model advertising black male perfume. He says this smells extremely bad. Oh yeah.
This smell extremely bad.
Yes. You can use text to video, image to video, or reference to video. Basically free because you get 1000 credits, and I just sign up in a matter of minute with my free email. To access it, just write TikTok Symphony Creative Studio in Google and click on this first link, sign in, and that's about it. Now for the fifth one we have Meta AI. So basically Facebook's AI video generator. I think they use Midjourney in the background, I'm not sure. Anyhow, when you log in, just describe the image of a video, I don't know, black cat on motorcycle, and then create. It immediately starts creating several versions of the video, and it's pretty fast and very cinematic. For example, I created this astronaut here. Very nice little video. Then you can add music easily, extend or restyle, for example, cyberpunk, clown, superhero. Let's try superhero. Here is our restyled video with, I would say, weird looking superhero, but it works pretty fast. And overall I created many videos with Meta AI and I didn't hit any limits, so I would say this one is unlimited. Then we have app.giz.ai. Here you can do many different things for free, but we are here interested in AI video. For example, this is one of the videos I created. It's a short one, 4 seconds, but looks interesting. Monster truck. When you click on AI video, here just what video do you want? I don't know, let's click here for one example, talk show. So we have a full prompt here popularized for us and click. And you see, this is completely for free. It uses LTX 2.3 Distilled 1.1 and it generates pretty fast. Here, if you click on history, you can see all of the videos that you created for free. Here we have a robot. And also, for example, this one that looks very realistic. Let's see what they have to say.
That's it. Dad's lost it and we've lost...
Okay, cut it in the middle of the sentence. I mean, it's only 4-second video, but I wanted to give you the full list of the really free tools that I found. Then we have chat.qwen.ai. Here, when you log in, just click a plus sign, click on create video and describe the video that you want to generate. Here I describe the text video prompt of a weary soldier, and this is what we got. 5-second videos.
I am so sorry.
Easily downloadable without any watermark. Here is a rescue scene. I mean, it's not Seedance 2.0 quality, but it's for free. And you can also upload attachment and then do an image to video. Let's see this one.
I really like it here.
He really likes it here. Then we have AIVideoMaker.ai. When you go into the homepage, sign in with your Google account. There you can choose from AIVideoMaker 1, AIVideoMaker version 3 with native audio, Happy Horse, Seedance, Van, Veo, Kling of course, but only AIVideoMaker V3 and V1 are completely free. So you write what you want, define format, 48p is only one for free, and generate as many videos as you want for free. This is one of the videos with a simple prompt, big tiger walking in the forest. Here it is. Nice nature quality. The ninth one is van.video. So you see I have 0 credits. You sign in for free. Write down your prompt, either text to video, image to video, even avatars, different references. You can use everything. Here we have Van 2.7, Van 2.6, Van 2.5, and all the other models. The trick here is when you click here on the settings, you see generate with credits is turned off. Therefore, you generate for free and as much as you want, but only 5-second videos, and the wait time is around 1 hour, sometimes even longer. But overall video quality is okay. So for example, we have this hummingbird. Yeah, it's standard van quality. So here we have also very simple prompt, realistic POV drone shot in Los Angeles, and this is the result. Then on arena.ai/video or LM Arena, when you click on video battle, you can generate up to 4 videos per day. But then you can log in with additional account, use VPN, and generate additional videos. So here we have one continuous uncut shot of a street violinist performing in a pouring rain. We don't know which AI video generator was used before we click on which one was better. So This is used for voting to rank AI video models. This one looked pretty good. And this is basically Kling in the background. You can also do image to video, car racing on a curvy road, and it looks okay. Depending on the model, it goes by random. The thing here is that by the end of the video, LM Arena will drop their watermark, so like this, but you can easily remove that after you download a video. It's not much, 4 per day, but then again, it's free and you can log in with your additional Google account that you have. Then we have AIFreeVideo.com. Here you can use text to video or image to video. Just describe the video you would like to have and then you'll get your results in a couple of minutes. For example, here I described 2 muscular cars on the street. And this is the result. This one is without the sound. It's for some basic AI video creations. It also has image to video, so you see image to video control camera movements, image to video 2D, perfect for 2D illustrations, and image to video version 1. Upload your image and then it will generate a video out of it. This is my image and this is now the video. I wrote down simple aerial shot of those 3 cars. Completely for free and as far as I know, unlimited. And that wraps up our 11 tools. I hope this was valuable for you. And if you know of any other free AI video generators that missed this list, drop them in the comments below so we can check them out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.